guys? It is your girl Linda, the Who That teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? You know what time it is when I stand in front of this camera. It's time for you to, first of all, don't click on this video and not have your tennis shoes on. You know it's time to move. I'm getting ready to teach you a line dance. What's up, guys? I want to say thank you. Thank you to everyone that leaves me a comment. I want you to know that I appreciate you. Don't think I take it for granted. And everyone if you just say hi or whatever, I'm gonna always comment back, okay? Whenever y'all leave a comment, it's my motivation. It encourages me to keep on keeping on. So shout out to everyone that leave a comment. Thank you so much. And don't forget to like. Always leave a thumb up, guys. Okay? So the next line dance I'm gonna teach you, it is a classic. Child, get it out of your head. These old line dances not going anywhere. They're classic, okay? They're part of the line dance legacy. So you need to get up and learn them. Okay, this one is B2H. Where were you in 92? We're 92, it's 92. Where were you in 92? In 92, okay? I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. But before I do, if you or someone you know is in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Also, I want to make mention, if you're in this area, you're coming from out of town, you want to come to my class, please just don't arrive, because sometimes the information on the Facebook, on YouTube is old. Always call me. Call me a week in advance. Give me heads up, and I'll let you know where to go. Okay, where to meet me at. Okay, thank you guys. Come on, let's go. This is a one-wall dance. Okay, one-wall dance, and here we go. So we gonna kick out. Single, single, double, double, single, single, tap, tap, quarter turn to your left. And then we repeat it again, and we'll be back at the back wall. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick out. Single, single, double, double, left, single, single, tap, tap, kick, and. So we make a quarter turn to our left. We do a tap, tap, kick, and. All right? Putting it together. 5, 6, 7. Kick it out. Right, left, right, right. Left, right, left, left. Kick and right, left, left. Oh, I'm sorry. Before I do that, let me go back to this. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Okay? The next one on step is right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Again, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That's it. So that's really part one. That's single, single, double, double, single, single, tap, tap, kick, and right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And repeat again. Okay, so let's put it together. So we do this part here, part one, twice, and it's going to bring us to the back wall. 5, 6, 7, kick it side, single, single, double, double, left, single, single, tap, tap, kick, and right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, single, single, double, double, single, single, tap, tap, kick, and right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so you see how I kind of spread my feet out? Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. My heel, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so you do that twice, and it'll bring you to the back wall. So, let's do it. And this is a high impact line dance. So when you do this line dance from the beginning to the end, once you get the step and you out of breath, that means you need to get your cardiovascular up. You need to do more cardio, okay? So you'll be heart healthy, okay? You shouldn't be breathing hard. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, single, double, double. Left, single, single. Tap, tap, kick and right. Left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Single, single, double, double, single, single. Tap, tap, kick and right. Left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Okay? Let me give you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay? Now, second part, we're going to set this wall. We're going to kick. Right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left, right. Twice, that's it. Right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left, right. Okay? All right. Now, this next part is going to take us back to the front. Okay? And we're going to move to our left. So I want you to watch this footwork. Okay? Just watch this. So you can do one or you can do it this way or that way. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. Let me show you the way that the choreographer is doing it. Watch me. Kick 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, kick 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Again, kick 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? So, kick right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, and tap. Okay? Or you can do kick, tap, kick, tap, kick and tap, kick and tap. I did a quarter turn. Kick, right, tap, left, turn, left, tap, right, kick, right, tap, left, turn, left, tap, right. Whatever you want to do. This is the one that the choreographer did. She did this. 1 and 2, kick 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then you move it up 8 times on the right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? So you're on your ball of your feet. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. To end the dance, you go left, right, left. Kick left, right, left. You want to kick on that right. You're going to see people kick on the right, but I'm going to tell you, you're going to kick on the left. Yes. Say, Linda told me to kick on the left because the choreography is on the left, okay? It is. I watched her. So you kick left, right, left. Left, right, left. Then you start over again. Okay? Now, let's walk through the whole entire dance. That's the dance. Single, single, double, double. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Left 5, 6, and 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right 5, 6, 7, and 8. Turn 1 and 2. Turn 3 and 4. Kick 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Right 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. And we start over again. So when you go right, left, left, right, left, left, Switch that weight and start kicking out. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, single, single, double, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, turn 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, left, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, left, 5, 6 and 7, 8, kick 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, kick 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, right 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, left 1, 2, 3, 4, left 5, 6, 7, 8. One more dance, baby. B2H. It's a classic. It ain't going nowhere. Why are you sitting down when I just did the instructional? So learn the step-by-step instructions and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. And guess what? I'm going to pin the demo right here. We can be out of breath together. Okay? So learn the step-by-step instruction. Also, when you put B, the number 2H, all together, you'll see the choreographer Bernadette do it. You'll see some other people. So look at that. Come back and put the pieces together. B2H, and we can dance together. I'll pin it right here. Make sure you share this video. My name is Luna Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.